All right, for the next few minutes, let's play detective. We're going to look at something you've probably seen 100 times, but maybe you've never really looked at it. Our mission? To find the science that's hiding in plain sight. And our laboratory? Well, it's the world all around us. It all starts with something you might have even had for dinner, a simple piece of dough dropped into a pan of hot oil. You know what happens next, right? It slowly, magically, puffs up. It looks like a magic trick, but I promise you there's a whole world of science happening right there in that single, delicious moment. And if you look really close, a little mystery pops up. Why does it puff up in the first place? And have you ever noticed that one side is almost always thinner than the other? What in the world is going on inside that dough? Now, hang on to that question because we are definitely going to solve this mystery together. Okay, now let's zoom out, and I mean like way out. We're going from a question about a piece of bread to one of the biggest questions you can possibly ask. Are there more stars in the sky than grains of sand on every beach on Earth? They seem like totally different things, right? But the truth is, both of these massive questions start in the exact same place. Yep, it all comes down to curiosity. It's that little spark in your brain that makes you pause and go, I wonder why that happens. Whether you're staring at your dinner plates or looking up at the night sky, that feeling, that need to know more, well, that's the engine that drives all discovery. So let me tell you a little secret. Every great scientist, every inventor, every single explorer who ever lived, they all started with the same two tools. And they're not expensive machines or complicated chemicals. Nope. They are the two most powerful words in the entire universe. Why and how? And you know what the best part is? You don't need a special building or a white lab coat to use these tools. Science isn't something locked away in a classroom. The world itself, that's your laboratory. Just think about your own kitchen for a second. You see chemistry in action every single time dough rises or water starts to boil. It's like a secret science experiment happening right there on your countertop every single day. Or just step outside into your backyard. It's a whole bustling world out there. Look at the crazy patterns on a leaf, the way an insect scurries around, or how a single droplet of water just clings to a blade of grass. You're literally observing biology and physics firsthand. And you don't even have to go that far. Just look up. That gentle breeze you feel on your face, that's the start of weather science. It's the very same force that, on a much, much bigger scale, can grow into a powerful storm. See? It's all connected. So what this really shows us is that we are living inside the biggest, most incredible laboratory you could ever imagine, our very own planet. From the deepest parts of the ocean to the tallest forests, it's this giant, beautiful system just waiting for curious minds like yours to explore it. Okay, so you've got the curiosity, and you know the world is your lab. So what's next? Well, now we learn how to be a real investigator. It's time to turn all those I wonder moments into I found out moments. Think about your whole science journey like you're leveling up in a game. You start out with just wonder, right? Being amazed by everything. Then you learn that ideas can actually change as we discover new things. And now you're ready for the next level, active investigation. You're going from just learning facts to actually discovering them for yourself. So what exactly is an investigation? Well, it's not about making wild guesses and hoping you're right. It's a method, a clear, step-by-step process for finding real answers to your questions. You can think of it like a recipe for discovery. And that recipe has 4 key ingredients. It's simple. First, you ask a question. Second, you observe carefully. Third, you experiment to test out your ideas. And fourth, you form a conclusion based on what you found. Ask, observe, experiment, conclude. Bam. That's it. That's the secret sauce of science. All right, you've got the tools, you've got the method. It is time to put on your investigator hat, because right now, in this moment, you are a scientist. So let's go back and finally solve our first mystery, the case of the puffing Puri. Now, when we experiment, there is one golden rule, and it is super important. To get a clear answer, you can only change one thing at a time. Seriously, just one. That one thing you change is called a variable. If you try changing a bunch of stuff all at once, your results are just going to be a confusing mess. So for our Puri, right, we could test different variables. What if we changed the dough's thickness? We'd roll some thin and some thick, but we'd keep the oil temperature exactly the same, and then we'd observe. Or we could do it the other way around. Keep the thickness the same for all of them, but change the oil temperature. See how that works. One change, one observation, that's how we find our answer. And this is what's so cool about science. Finding an answer is never really the end of the road. In fact, every single discovery you make just opens up a brand new door to a room that's filled with even more questions. You might figure out that temperature matters, but that just leads to the next question. Why does it matter? The adventure never really ends. So, I really want you to remember this. You're not just a student sitting in a class memorizing stuff from a book. No way. You are an explorer, an investigator. You are a young scientist, ready to discover things for yourself. So, here's your mission, if you choose to accept it. First, stay curious. Always, always ask why and how. Second, observe the world around you like a detective, because the answers are usually hiding right in front of you. And finally, put it all together and start thinking like a scientist. The world is full of incredible mysteries, and it's waiting for you to be the one to solve them.